Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the EVERCAL app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The EVERCAL app is a sleek shared calendar and family organizer that supports scheduling, to-do list, and notes, all with a clear color coding and a clean UI interface. It offers handy features such as a plain language event, input, and shared calendar for multiple members. On the flip side, many useful features are locked behind a paid subscription, and some user reports sync issues across devices and challenges inviting family members. Overall, EVERCAL is worth using if you are managing a busy household or teams want a dedicated planner, but you might want to try the free trial first to ensure it works for you very well before your groups can stay committing or paid for any subscription plan. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.